Hello guys, welcome back. Now we are here to discuss about the question called Fizz Buzz. Pretty interesting question. This will make us understand how we write our conditions, how we need to understand the conditions, and yeah. Question number 412 from lead code. Let's start solving this question. So, given an integer n, return a string array answer. So they are giving us integer value and they are expecting us to return a string array. So we need to return a list of strings, one based indexing. String array answer, one indexed, where answer of I equals to Fizz Buzz. Okay, we need to ith index value will be Fizz Buzz if the I is divisible by 3 and 5. Okay, and ith index value will be Fizz if it is only divisible by 3. Okay, ith index is divisible is Buzz. I is divisible by 5. Okay, if it is 3 and 5, Fizz Buzz should be added. If it is 3, Fizz. If it is 5 Buzz. If nothing matches, then go for I, as it is I value. Whatever the I value is there, that will be as a string. So this is pretty straightforward question. Now let's directly jump into the code because there is nothing much, the same conditions that we write here. So this will help us understand, as I said, this will make us understand how we store something inside an array answer. And also this will help us understand how to write the conditions properly. And these conditions are very simple and very straightforward here in this particular question. But and make sure if the same question is given in a descriptive fashion, in a big 2-3 paragraphs fashion, then we need to figure out, okay, which condition we should write first, which condition should goes next. Those things we need to figure out properly, guys. Now let's take a list of answers. Answers equal to new array list. Okay. Now we need to iterate on a from 1. As they're saying, I is one indexed. Like I will start from 1. This is the one more important thing. They have never mentioned I is a I value. Like we should take numbers from 1. But here, integer n is given. We need to return a string array answer. And one indexed. One index. So the first value will be 1. Next will be 2 and so on. So that's the reason. Reading the question clearly will give you the proper understanding, guys. I less than or equal to n. Why we write I less than or equal to n? Because we need to go till nth index, nth value. So for nth value also, what was the thing we need to go? So if I modulus, if it is divisible by 5, and also if I is divisible by 3, then we will append answer dot add of what we need to add is Buzz. Else if I is only divisible by 3, then what we need to add? Then we need to add answer dot add of Fizz. Right, the same thing goes again. If it is divisible by 5, then it should be Buzz. If not, if nothing goes in our way, answer should be I. But is this I an string? No, it is an integer. So that's why to convert this, the simple method is to append to a string. Appending it to a string will convert the integer into a string, or you can use toString method, which is available for your integer value. So at the end, we need to simply return the answer. We need to simply return the answer. Let's run this. That's all, guys. This is how we need to solve this particular question. I hope you understand this logic and I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's meet in the next session. Until then, bye-bye.